Do you recognize this sound? I bet you do. It's that iconic noise we all love hearing from cars like the Supra or the Skyline. But what causes that sound? It happens when a turbocharged car doesn't have a blow-off valve. Basically, it's air bouncing around inside the system. Without the valve, the air slams directly into the turbo blades, creating that signature sound, but also damaging the turbo quickly. While it might be thrilling to hear, it's not recommended. Without a blow-off valve, your turbo will wear out much faster. But go ahead and like this if, just like me, you're obsessed with that majestic, godlike sound.